Blizzard Beach Water Park. Hello everybody! Where are we today? Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach.
What kind of park is it?
Yeah, I love Waterpark.
It's my birthday today!
Well,
Actually, your birthday is tomorrow, right? We are starting our celebrations today. Are we gonna stay at a cool resort?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
cool.
And one of the fun perks that they just started when you stay at a resort is that on check-in day you get to go to a water park, which was awesome because Caspian wanted to go to a water park and stay at a Disney resort, so it worked out so nicely that what he wanted to do
He
for
was
his
psychic.
birthday,
He
he
was
was like, hey, I know what we can do. Let's go to a water park and a Disney resort.
How cool is this?
It kind of looks like we're in a snowy Arendelle, right? A beachy
like it's
Arendelle.
melted.
Yeah, it's like we're.
Can we get pictures in front of it? Like,
Ooh, look, you can go in a cool sleigh.
Oh, I love that.
Say Snuggies.
Snuggie.
What is with that face, Melody?
she doesn't like being in the sand, but she's
I
gonna
know. What is with our Florida girl, our little mermaid, not liking the sand? What do you got there? Towels. So if you're staying at a Disney resort, you get free towels. You don't have to worry about renting them or bringing them, which is kind of a nice perk. I didn't realize that we could just
Hey,
not have
Caspian.
to bring any be
Can I hold them so you can look?
Crocodile shape. That's so funny. That's so funny, right?
I know.
Oh look, they're melting. You can see they're melting. It's so cute.
This little snowman has a Mickey hat on and it says Button. Their name must be Button.
Oh, they're melting. How sad. Look, they're melting.
Maybe Elsa needs to come and make them permafrosted like Olaf. So far, everything is just a 15-minute wait, but it's still early.
I'm so ready for
see the lazy river?
this.
Does that
You're
look
so
fun?
ready for this.
Yeah, I love
All right, I'm gonna put you down.
Waterpark.
We are gonna go find some place to sit in Tykes Peak. Look at all those snowies. Look at Anna and Elsa. Go.
Go ahead.
Sing. Do you want to build a snowman?
Go get it. Go in there. Come on. Come on.
It's okay. You can get wet. You're in a swimsuit. Was that fun? Look, it's Kristoff and Sven!
Good job.
Are we gonna go ride the floating umbrellas? Yeah! Look up! Look up at the umbrella above us! behind us. Wow. Are we floating? Are we flying on an umbrella? It's like we're going up the North Mountain, right? To see Elsa? Yeah, kind of like that, huh? Steamboat Springs, a family raft ride. You ready?
Goodness, here we go. Here we go. Oh, whee! Whoa! Whoa! She is terrified. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Got it?
I got it. Whoa! Whoa! Melody. Whoa! Whoa! Here we go. Whoa! 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 Here we go, we're about to blast down. Whoa! Whoa! Did you like that? That was really cool, wasn't it?
You, Melody, did you like that?
Did you like it? She's like, once I snuggle with mommy.
Caspian insisted on doing this zip line into the water. We will see how he does with this. Let go! Let go! What did you think of that? Did you have so much fun at Blizzard Beach?
Yeah.
Yeah, you had so
Yeah.
much fun, right?
Yeah. That's just a joke.
That's just a joke.
Yes.
But you did. You had so much
What
fun.
was your favorite thing that you did at Blizzard Beach today?
Going down the water slide.
Going down the water slides.
Which one?
Did you have a favorite one?
I really like the one where you get to go into a big raft and you go really fast.
Oh, so the one that we
as
did
a
all
family?
together?
Yeah.
That was my favorite. too.
Cool. What was your favorite thing, Melody?
I think it was like floating in the lazy.
Girlfriend didn't know what to do when she was there. We are on our way to the resort now. We have gotten a notification that our room is not ready yet. It is still being pixie dusted. But we are still gonna head on over towards the resort because who knows, maybe by the time we get over there, it'll be ready. If not, we can explore because it is a cool resort. Made it! Where are we, Caspian?
The Disney Hotel.
The Disney Hotel! It looks like Radiator Springs. Oh my gosh, look who's up ahead. You see the cozy cones?
I do like the buggy.
It's pretty cool, huh? Let's not lean on him. What's her name?
Sally.
Oh, this
The
is
Wheelwell Motel. Fillmore. He loves flowers and go green. He's very environmentally friendly. Cool.
Hey, Caspian, we could also ride the Skyliner around. We could ride the Skyliner from the hotel. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, but this is stuff that we want to do like after we change out of our swimsuits. So I would say if you want to go in the pool, it might be smart to do it while you're still in your swimsuit.
Can I go check out the other cars?
Yeah.
I want to check out all the cars.
Of course. It's Ramon.
Ramon?
Yeah.
Agamon.
And Flo.
Look at the purple car.
Oh, I see
There's a purple car.
Yeah. Doc and Sheriff.
Better you dang near fainted.
Doc!
Ooh, V-Bag. Can I go
Cornhole, yeah. We can do that at some point. Sheriff. Unlock Radiator Springs, a happy place.
This guy.
This is Sheriff.
Hi, Sheriff. Can I go to beanbag team now? We can go against each other. Mommy. How about a
You look
beanbag?
above you, look at the big billboard. A happy place. Radiator Springs. Hold on, it's open. It's open. Oh, wow.
Oh!
Wow!
Oh my goodness.
You don't need to put that in a trash can. No, that's just stick it on the counter. What a cool room!
Finally!
Welcome, Thomas family.
Where's the... What?
Look at the TV. Your bed, I believe.
There's a bed right here.
And there's a bed right here.
Yeah.
A bed where?
Well, does this move? How does that come out?
Hey, I gotta go.
It's super cute. The little tables have little things for Radiator Springs. Look at this bathroom.
Huh?
Look at this bathroom.
Two bathrooms.
Car wash. Spiffy in a jiffy. Look at how cute. It's a car wash.
This is crazy.
I know.
Two bathrooms.
So obviously when we vacation,
Hold on.
we're used to taking a cruise ship and you don't have a suite. We booked this, not really realizing it was a suite, we just booked it because it was a car's room. And oh my gosh, we're gonna be so spoiled with all this room. Look! It's red! Red? The fire truck.
Oh, my God.
And then I believe this becomes a bed. Oh.
I want to try that. Oh, I want this to be my bed. Hello, everybody. We are at our hotel, Disney Hotel. Let me show you around. Here is the living room.
Whoa, slow down a little bit so
Yeah.
people don't get sick when they're
It's like it's car themed. Like, okay. This is where we eat. This is my mommy and daddy's bedroom. Here's the bathroom. There's a little kitchen here.
Ordered a pizza.
that looks delicious.
Can I show them what the top of the box looks like?
It's so cute.
It's so cute. It says, "Oh boy, pizza's here. Something smells good. Let's eat. We hope you're hungry."
I love the sound effects. That looks so good, doesn't it?
Cheese pizza.
Caspian's favorite, right? Want me to pick you up? Can I pick you up?
So we are gonna take the Skyliner. This is one of the few resorts that has Skyliner access to it. We are actually gonna use the Skyliner to go over to the boardwalk. We were in search of a Mickey cinnamon roll. We offered Caspian going to Epcot, but he decided not to. I think he's kind of tired from the water park. He really just wanted to stay in the room, but we're like, we didn't pay all this money to just sit in the room and play on tablets. So we're going
This
on a
one's actually built right over the
Skyliner.
water. Did you see that? That's kind of cool. Look, we're over the water. Look down.
Oh,
That's pretty cool.
This is so cool. This is so cool.
See, this is why we wanted you to go. Isn't this cool?
And you can see the sunset.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
We have arrived. We got off of the Skyliner and we have arrived at the boardwalk. What are we gonna try to find?
Mickey cinnamon.
A Mickey cinnamon roll. You got your Mickey cinnamon roll. We went to Boardwalk Ice Cream and got some ice cream.
We had ice cream.
Yummy.
That's his.
You hug Lightning McQueen?
should
It's
hug
so
Sally.
cool. Their headlights are all lit up because it's nighttime. Do you want to stand in front of him with your Lightning McQueen shirt, and I can see your shirt in him and him and.
Can I take a picture?
Great job, Caspian. That was a great smile. I wonder if in the morning it plays like it does in the movie. I think that would make the people staying here kind of upset if it did. And the cozy cone looks so cute. The kids are way too tired to go to the pool though. I don't blame them.
Can we go to our hotel?
We can, yeah.
Oh, no.
Of course. We had some really nice weather for your birthday celebration, huh?
Yeah, for work.
What? Perfect water for weather for water parks. You're right. Casa de la Tires.
Oh, look. His taillight. Look at his taillight.
Guido. It's the Leaning Tower of Tires.
Pretty cool, huh?
Wait, I am so tired from today.
You're so tired from today?
Tired. I get your joke.
It sounded like one though. Tired. We were just by the tires.
It smells like
It smells. What?
It smells like a Mickey
I was gonna say it smells so good in here.